Hey, hi. In this short video, I'm going to show you why it's so important to use AI to protect your information and your data. Because hackers and malicious actors, they are using it already. You need to act faster and quickly because you need to analyze a lot of data and you need to respond fast. Because if you don't do it like that, you are out of the game. Check it out.
We thought humans can do it all, but in cybersecurity, humans are not enough. You need teach that's faster, smarter, and superhuman. That's why we choose Sentinel One, the world's first security platform powered by machines, not big teams. Using AI to stop threats faster than any human could. So we're not changing the game, we are the game changers. We are the new standard, and now it's time for everyone else to